Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix or solve blink camera not detecting motion. So in order to fix it, you can try these troubleshooting steps if your motion notifications are delayed, or if you are not receiving them when you expect them to appear, or if you are getting too many. So first, you just have to test the motion in front of your camera. While troubleshooting, you need to test your settings to ensure you are getting the desired results. To perform a simple test, you just have to arm your system and then make a significant motion in front of your camera. Note that you need to slow network speeds can delay your notifications. So if you are facing the problem still, then what you can do is you can simply try to contact with the Blink customer support team. For that, you just have to simply come to Blink for home, and over here you just have to simply click on please contact technical support. After that, it will redirect you on the support page where you just have to simply select the reason that you are facing, which is the technical support. After that, you need to fill out this form in which you need to provide your full name, your registered email address with Blink, then the subject, description, and some of other details like the customer location and the purchase location. If you have any attachments, you can upload that as well. And after filling this captcha code, you just have to press the submit button. So what this will do is it will send the request to the Blink customer support team, and they are going to contact you via email that you will enter on this form. So you can ask them for further um, solutions of this problem. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.